manage your account, you will use the Manager portal. In order to access the Manager portal, you simply open a web browser and enter your fully qualified domain provided by your administrator. After entering the domain into your browser, you will be taken to the login page. On the login page, enter your credentials provided by your administrator or click the new user link. Then enter your email address and extension, and your credentials will be emailed to you. After entering your credentials, you are taken to the home page of the Manager portal. On the very top, you will see a link to the Attendant Console. The Attendant Console interface consists of 3 panels. The Extension panel, which shows you other users' current status. You can also select queues, auto attendance, the call park zone. This shows calls that are currently parked and allows you to select if you would like the call dynamically parked, meaning it will go to the first available spot in the parking lot, or statically parked, sent to a specific call park extension. And the Make Call/Active Calls. This allows you to make new calls and manage existing calls. Next to the Attendant Console link is our Profile link, which allows us to control our profile settings. We can change our first and last name, the time zone. We can control if our extension will be listed in the company directory when people call in, and we can control if our extension will be listed in the directory for other users that will be displayed in their contacts. You can change your area code. However, if you need your caller ID or your 911 caller ID changed, you will need to contact your administrator. We can change our email address or configure additional email addresses. We can reset our password and change our voicemail PIN. Below the Attendant Console and Profile links are our navigation options. Below our navigation options, we have our new voicemail message panel, which displays new messages. Below is the recent call history, displaying the recent activity on our account. Next is the Active Answering Rules panel, showing us which answering rule we have selected and how it is configured to ring our devices and external numbers. Below is our Conference Participants panel, which display how many people are waiting in our conference bridge, if any. Next is the Active Phone window, which will show you what devices are currently registered to your account. And finally, the Contacts dock, located in the lower right hand corner, minimized. The contact docs will show us all of the domain's users and their status. We can call the contact by clicking the call icon, or we can send them a chat by clicking the message icon. We can also filter the contacts that are displayed.